So it's Sunday and I'm back at the shop again today. I teased in the first episode about working on the truck and then really only talked a little bit about it. I didn't dive into anything, certainly didn't get any work done. So I'm back and it's time to actually get my hands dirty, except the teasing continues. I'm not working on this one today, I'm working on that one. On Thursday, the transfer case blew up, puked its guts everywhere. It's leaking all over the place. It sounds like it's full of rocks. It's definitely not supposed to be that way. So I'm gonna pull it out, ship it up to Sacramento, most likely have it replaced, get it back down here, throw it back in, and have my truck back, which would be pretty nice. Let's get to work. So the drive shafts are out. I think what I'm going to focus on next is getting the transmission cross brace out. It's probably not OSHA approved, but what I've done in the past is use a set of really huge ratchet straps to hold up the weight. The way that the whole kind of package is designed is that the transmission and all of the weight from the back of the engine is actually held up under the transfer case. It seems to work pretty well. Don't tell my mom. So as I'm diving into this, I'll share the hardest part of the whole thing. So if you can kind of glance up here, this whole device here is the linkage for shifting the transfer case, and that's for both 4 and 2-wheel drive and then high and low range. And so I've got to free it, and the challenge is that it's that nut that I'm pointing at way up there. I've got to get that guy undone. It's not easy to get to. There's not a lot of room or a good way to get up on that side of it. And then to add to the difficulty, this guy here, I don't know if you can make it out, but there's a tiny cotter pin through that post and I've got to free it too. So once I finish fighting with those guys, it'll be 4 more bolts and the transfer case will be ready to drop out. And it's only about 20-25 minutes of work so far. So making good progress, but those two will undoubtedly slow things down. They're going to be a real fight. All right, so this is the guy. It's out. It came out without too much of a fuss. Wasn't really a huge deal. As you can see, there's the holes for the 4 bolts that held it on there at the end. And now we'll box it up and send it up to Sacramento for a rebuild or replacement, one of the two. Probably a replacement. All right, so the job's done. Transfer case is out. Only took about an hour to get it out. Wasn't too bad of a job, as expected and hoped. Only spent about a half hour fiddling with it, trying to clean it up so I don't send someone a nasty part. I just got to box it up, but I'm glad that it's done. And pretty soon, I think Corey should be showing up. Richie's E28 should be arriving soon on a flatbed, and we're going to be fixing his shifter. And then Keelan's showing up with a new motorcycle soon too. So lots of cool stuff going on. Pretty good shop day overall. What you got going on?
Parts delivery. Also got some Craigslist wheels, and they're BBS RS069, so they're ET perfect. For that car over there, which is like this car but better, because I have 2 of them, because I hate myself. 7.1 to a 58.6. That's not bad. So I'll get a little ring, and it'll be fine.
Yeah.
And these bolts will, you just kind of rotate it. It's just a rotates.
Oh
plenty of room.
That looks really hard to push by yourself. Yeah. It'd be nice if you had an extra hand.
Chloe, come help us. Shop Doug. Come on, Chloe.
You're like, nope.
No dice.
That's good.
That is good.
All right, show me what's wrong with this thing.
Hey, you're gonna break what's left.
What's going on with this thing?
My shifter rod decided to get loose and a bunch of hardware fell out. So I had Corey buy me some little things, some pieces that I needed to just kind of get it back up and running. Nothing major. I'm glad it wasn't the transmission. This little knuckle goes into the trans and I need to replace that, so that's new. This bushing goes from the black bracket to the frame of the body, the chassis. And then this clip holds the rod to the shifter. And this pin goes into this little knuckle thing, which goes onto the transmission, which allows the rod to go in and kind of engage the transmission into the gears.
And that's that? That's all you got to replace?
That's it. That's it. That easy. Should take us like 10 minutes.
Should take us like 10 minutes.
15, 30?
We're going to start the clock.
How
10
quickly do you
minutes.
think we
He
can do
said
this?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. Let's do it.
All right, let's get it in there.
I'll get you two the same size.
I mean, those will work.
Both?
It's under the subframe or something.
Yeah.
So the shift stabilizer plate
That thing.
has 2 bolts on the top ears of the back of the get drag and 1 is out. And then the bushing on the tail side of that plate is also gone. So what you get is just a lot of stirring some soup.
Mm-hmm.
You're just stirring the soup, man.
I was stirring the soup.
Gear soup.
Gear soup. Just
You're gonna re-affix those items. Just and then you can pick which gear it is that you want to go from place to place. That's what cars are for. We gonna be alright.
You guys making progress under there?
yeah. Corey is. I'm just watching.
I'm just going about a 1/12 of a turn at a time, you know, living life 12th of a turn at a time. Nothing else matters.
What is it?
Hold up, we got a problem?
We may.
And I'm much less nervous about actually going.
Something sad. Should come out of gear. Doesn't want to do that though.
I'm gonna give it a go.
Do it.
Yeah, that's not how it's supposed to be.
That's not how it's supposed to be.
So it's like totally stuck in gear. What did you guys do? Gotta do it all over again.
Probably.
Why did you tell me the wrong thing?
I didn't. You looked up a photo and you said, I said, let me look it up first. And you said, I found a photo. I found it in 2 seconds. And then you fucking put it on.
Well, you took too long. So, whose fault is it really?
Probably mine for not knowing beforehand.
You just convinced him it's his fault even though you did it.
You're right. That's true.
Alright, back onto the car. Hey, what's the deal?
Okay, so essentially, Germans
Tell it like it is.
have designed this car in a less than ideal way, and so I have to take everything back apart to flip this lopsided knuckle off. I would have put it together the right way, but it was gone, so couldn't reference that because it's gone. So essentially, I'm just smooching this exhaust right now, having a good time. It was a good Sunday fun day, you know?
I told you to let me find the right diagram.
I want you to quit saying that. I don't appreciate those fake news as you're telling me right now. Screw you guys. It's not my fault.
Oh, fuck.
Hey, Richie, whose fault is it?
Well, it's not mine.
We're gonna say it's Corey's fault because
It's
I
not.
told him to wait.
But I'm Corey,
But you are Corey, yeah.
and it's not my fault.
But
We got those two facts
who
down.
put the knuckle in the wrong way?
Huh?
Who put the knuckle
Huh?
in the wrong way? Who put the knuckle
What?
in the wrong way? The knuckle,
What is it you're saying?
the joint.
That doesn't make any sense.
Who put it in the wrong way?
That doesn't compute. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm getting out of here. Oh, yeah. Shimmy form. Can we do a shimmy?
It has been a very long day at the shop. The boys are still under the car. Are you guys making any progress?
Yeah.
I think they might be kind of close to done, but overall,
Pretty much done.
it's pretty much done.
Pretty much.
So hopefully, right after this, we'll cut to like final celebration of it being finished. Corey, we got something else.
Mickey, some malt liquor. Hell yeah.
Hold on. We're gonna find some hose and make Corey a straw apparatus so he can drink his 40 while he works.
Sipper.
Hold on. How about this big boy?
Oh, here we go.
You think that's no? I guess no, dude. That's fine.
Oh no, we got better stuff over here. Come here.
We're gonna have to drill a hole in the cap too, so it'll fit in nice.
Ooh, dude, look at this.
Yeah.
That
All
is
right. Perfect. Take the cap off first, please. That bit is just it's crusty.
It's fine.
It's gross.
It's fine.
Look, I have a feeling Corey's not getting this 40.
He's getting his 40, my man. Chill.
Blake.
Pop that
And it's got the rubber seal in there. Dude, tell me this isn't perfect. It's fine.
This is literally the reason I said to do it.
Yeah.
You dingus.
Take the credit for it if you want. We
I'm
didn't.
going to. Oh my god! Someone's gonna start sipping.
God.
Jesus Christ!
Andrew taking it for the team.
It's almost like a beer bonger. It's got some pressure to it.
Yeah. Once he lets go.
It's more of a beer bomb than a beer bong.
Here,
He did.
deliver
When
it
he
to
put
the
it in,
boy.
it reacted.
Come here. You
He
ready?
may not get a terrible stomach ache.
Are you ready? I don't know. You want to put it in under pressure? Yeah,
It's good. It's fine. It's
Open,
fine.
open your mouth.
All right, back to it.
But if you need it, it's there. Look, dude. Look, there's a nice little stopper now. I want everyone to see. We got a stopper for when he needs his 40. He's got it. This is how you work on a car in 2018.
By the way,
All right, well, tell us what you did.
What?
Tell us what you did.
Man. Bought a motorcycle. It's a Triumph Daytona.
it's great. It ate all 200 miles back here.
And how long did it take?
Like 3 hours.
It's not too bad.
Yeah. The rear tire's a little flat in the middle, as you can see.
Or you could just do a lot of leaning and make it catch up on the corner.
It's gonna be a lot of leaning at weird angles.
Yeah, that is fine.
That is terrifying, dude. That's so scary.
All right, on that note, Keelan's here. It's time to go to dinner. Corey's still under the car drinking beer. We're gonna leave him there. Maybe he'll finish, maybe he won't. You'll just have to find out in the next episode, and we'll see you then.